Hi, Aza here. In today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to remove blemishes from your skin in a photo. Actually, for the next couple tutorial, we are going to be doing skin retouching. So, we got our sample image here. You can download from unsplash.com. Also, I put the link in description. So, let's get started. First, we have to reduce redness. Let's zoom in like that. We have so many redness here in her face. We have to take care of those redness. So many times you got red on your skin. We can target the red and light it up. It's super cool technique. So go to adjustment layer here and hue saturation like that. Then on master, click on the menu and select the reds here. Now you can play with the lightness here. You target the red and can play with the lightness. Drag it up like that. It's too much. I think it's perfect. Now because we play with the redness, it's better we increase the saturation here, something like that, and a bit hue. Perfect. It's back to our photo. Check the before and after here. You can see really the difference. Let's back to our hue saturation. Probably say why you choose reds. Not on master, we reduce the redness. If you choose the master and lighten up the photo like that, the whole photo brighten. But we only want the red part of the image change. So we select the reds and play with the red here. Light up the red here. If you want to know more about hue saturation, just click on the link above. I will put the video link in description also. So, back to the layer. First step done. The next step, spot healing brush tool. So you can go to the toolbar here and click on spot healing brush tool here. A spot healing brush tool is a quick and easy way to remove acne and blemishes from skin. To keep your retouching workplace separate from the original image, go here and add new layer over the main image and name it healing like that. Healing. Perfect. But before do anything, you must check the couple option here on top. Go on top option bar menu here. First we have turn on content ever. This allows Photoshop to make more intelligent decision when you choosing and replacement. Next is sample all layers. We must turn on also sample all layer. This lets the spot healing brush tool sample texture not just from the currently selected layer, also from layer below. Okay, let's back to our photo. First zoom in. You can see all the blemishes here. Select the spot heal brush tool. For best result, keep your brush slightly larger than blemishes. To change your brush size from the keyboard, press the left bracket key to make the brush smaller. Something like that, 10, 9, and press the right bracket key to make the brush bigger. Like that, 15, 20, 25, perfect. For this one is 20 is okay. For this pimple, go over that pimple, just click on the pimple with the spot healing brush tool like that and instantly it's gone. Cool. You can see the difference. Let's turn off the before and after. Check here, before and after. Just with simple click, you can remove the blemishes from your face. Photoshop replace it with a good skin texture from the surrounding area. You can continue clean up like that. Go here, for example, more here, more some part here, some part of her face, like that. Maybe here, more here. Perfect. Or maybe some area like that here. You can see the before and after. Skin is already looking better. When you're retouching skin with a spot healing brush, you'll often get better result by changing the blending mode the brush from the normal to lighten. The blending mode option is found in the top option bar here. With the blending mode set to the lighten, Photoshop will only replace pixels that are darker than the good texture. And it's perfect for this area is a bit lighter than the other area. We need the smaller brush, left bracket, a smaller brush 10 is okay, and start to click. And perfectly remove that something here. You can see before and after. Maybe something here. Perfect. You can keep this dark spot here. I think it's part of her beauty. Photoshop's spot healing brush is basically a texture replacement tool. It takes damaged or unwanted from one area and replaces it with a good texture from the surrounding area. The good texture is then blended with the problem's area's original tone and color to heal the image with seamless result. When retouching a skin, we just click on a blemishes with a spot heal brush and it's worked like a magic. Then the blemish is gone. There is another cool trick that will make our work a bit easier. So go to adjustment layer and black and white. Just reduce the red like that and increase the yellow here like that. And don't forget to don't do this for your own photo. It could be a bit depressing, or don't show this part to your friend. So let's back to our photo. So here with this trick we can see all the blemishes that maybe is a lighter or we may miss that. So let's back to the layer and start create a new layer and start to remove the blemishes. We need a bigger size brush like that. I think for this area is perfect, and like that. Some more area like that. Bit here, one part here, and some area like here or here, something, and okay. Okay, perfect. You can double check here, and also this one, maybe a bit here, with redness we have here. Perfect. And always after retouching you can remove this one and delete the black and white, and you can see the before. You can check from here before and after, before after. Perfect. Alright, there we have it. I didn't do all the blemishes in here, but as you can see we can check the before and after. It's perfect. Don't forget you can target this redness by using hue saturation. Then go to master and select reds and target reds and brighten those red. Then you can play with the spot heal brushing tool. It's kind of two steps process. We all have those days that acne or redness destroy our perfect photo. Now with these two easiest steps, you can solve the problem and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.